Welcome back to Auto No 1, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into a revival of one of India's most iconic cars, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador. A name that evokes nostalgia, the Ambassador is back with a modern twist. Let's explore what's new in the 2025 version. Exterior design 030 to 130. Showcase front grille, headlamps, side profile, and rear lights in slow motion. Voiceover. At first glance, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador looks immediately familiar. It retains its classic silhouette, long hood, square lines, and that unmistakable rear end. But this is no old car. The new Ambassador features a more aggressive front with LED headlamps, a wider chrome grille, and sharp angular lines along the side profile. The chrome accents add a touch of modern elegance, while the 18-inch alloy wheels give it a contemporary road presence. The rear now features sleek LED tail lamps, modernizing its overall look, while keeping that familiar charm intact. Interior and comfort features 130 to 230. Interior shots showing dashboard, seats, ambient lighting, and tech features like infotainment system. Voiceover. Step inside, and you'll instantly notice the leap in technology and comfort. The cabin of the 2025 Ambassador combines luxury with practicality. The digital driver display and 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system are the stars of the dashboard, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The premium leather upholstery on the seats feels rich to the touch, while the ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance. What's even better, rear passengers get generous legroom, rear AC vents, and an armrest for ultimate comfort on long journeys. With wireless charging, keyless entry, and a premium sound system, this car offers features that you'd expect in a high-end luxury sedan. Performance 230 to 330. Showcase driving footage on roads, engine revving, and shots of the car cruising. Voiceover. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is available in two engine options, a 1.5L turbo petrol engine and a hybrid variant, catering to a wide range of preferences. The petrol engine produces a respectable amount of horsepower, while the hybrid option offers a perfect blend of power and fuel efficiency. The Ambassador comes with both a 6-speed automatic and a CVT gearbox, making driving a breeze, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on highways. The suspension system is tuned specifically for Indian roads, offering a smooth ride over potholes and rough surfaces. Technology and features 330 to 430. Showcase infotainment system, voice assistant, and tech features like lane keep assist, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera. Voiceover. The 2025 Ambassador is loaded with cutting